Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Cleanse and pat skin dry so products absorb. If your skin is tight, smooth a light moisturizer onto the face and neck using upward motions. This creates a hydrating base. Once done, dispense about a nickel size or 1/4 teaspoon of sunscreen for your face. Don't skimp. You're layering purposefully. Moisturizer first when needed, then sunscreen on top to form the protective barrier. Make sure every exposed area gets even coverage. Don't forget ears and hairline. You'll now perfect coverage and layering. Apply your sunscreen in thin, even strokes, working from center outward and rubbing until there's no white cast. This ensures uniform protection. Once done, lightly tap product onto eyelids and use a stick or lip sunscreen for lips and ears. These spots are often missed. If you plan to wear makeup, wait about 5–10 minutes so the sunscreen sets before foundation. For prolonged outdoor time, reapply every 2 hours or after swimming or heavy sweating. You're completing the routine. Lock in protection with scheduled reapplication, every 2 hours or right after towel drying or sweating. If you use a spray, always spray into your hands and rub to ensure full coverage. If products pill or ball up, that means layers are incompatible. Stop, remove excess, and switch to a lighter moisturizer or a different sunscreen type. Try one change at a time. For breakouts or irritation, opt for non-comedogenic, fragrance-free options, and patch test on your jawline before full.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.